Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Sundale washing machine is probably one of the most essential appliances in any modern household, offering convenience and efficiency in tackling laundry day chores. And today we're diving deep into what makes this particular model stand out from the crowd, exploring its features, performance, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right fit for your home. Number 5. Affresh Washing Machine Cleaner Tablets. Tired of lingering odors in your washing machine? Our powerful tablets are designed to reach deep inside, tackling grime and bacteria in the pump, valves, and hoses. These tablets work to power away odor-causing bacteria and grime that can accumulate over time. Enjoy a truly fresh scent after every wash. No matter your machine type, these cleaners are suitable for all washers, including front load, top load, and HE models. Get a thorough clean for any setup. With a 6-month supply, you'll have plenty of tablets to keep your machine running optimally. Each tablet provides a time-release clean for lasting freshness. Beyond just cleaning, our product leaves behind a pleasant, fresh aroma. Your laundry will come out smelling as clean as it looks. Its stylish and clean design ensures it fits seamlessly into your laundry space. Maintain a clean machine with an effective and attractive solution. What we like. This product is designed to tackle tough grime and odors deep within your washing machine. If you're experiencing persistent smells or reduced efficiency in your washer, this is the solution. It offers a long-lasting supply, making it a convenient choice for regular maintenance. What people say. Affresh washing machine cleaners keep my washer clean, smelling nice, and it keeps it working great. These tablets have completely eliminated the mildew smell that front loaders are notorious for. Each box comes with 5 tablets, and I use one monthly as recommended. The washer smells fresh and clean afterward, with no musty or mildew odors lingering. Using this washing machine cleaner helps to clean up the insides which you can't see from the outside. The instructions are straightforward, and I've had good success with the effectiveness. If you want your clothes to come out clean and smelling fresh, having your washing machine in best shape helps make that happen. Number 4. Stardrops The Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste. Discover the power of the pink stuff, your new go-to for a sparkling clean home. This miracle cleaning paste tackles dirt and grime with ease. Its versatile formula works wonders all around your house. From the kitchen to the bathroom and beyond, it handles it all. Achieve a brilliant shine with minimal effort. This paste makes cleaning less of a chore and more of a breeze. Don't let tough stains get you down. It's designed to cut through grease, soap scum, and other stubborn messes. You can trust it on a variety of surfaces throughout your home. Enjoy a clean space without worry. Experience the difference that makes it a true miracle cleaner. Get ready for a home that truly shines. What we like. This is your go-to for tackling a wide range of cleaning tasks around the house. If you're looking for a single product that can handle kitchen grease, bathroom soap scum, and more, this is it. Its powerful formula makes it ideal for those who want effective cleaning without multiple specialized products. What people say. The machine is very quiet and has a large capacity. It has a variety of wash cycles to choose from, including a quick wash option. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well into my laundry room. Number 3. Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine. Introducing the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine, your perfect laundry solution for small spaces. It efficiently washes and spins your clothes simultaneously, saving you valuable time. Despite its compact size, this portable washer packs a punch with a powerful 1,300 revolutions per minute motor. Its water-efficient design ensures your clothes get thoroughly clean, load after load. Designed for your convenience, it features separate timers for washing and spinning, allowing you to customize your laundry cycles. Its lightweight and space-saving design makes it ideal for apartments, dorms, and even camping. Operating this machine is incredibly simple. Just add clothes, water, set the timer, and press start. Its unique wave pulsates and water flow provide a better cleaning effect with less twisting of your garments. Crafted with a durable plastic body, this washer is rust-proof and built to last. It's also energy-saving, making it an economical choice for your laundry needs. The built-in gravity drain makes removing dirty water a breeze. Enjoy the convenience of clean laundry without the hassle, wherever you are. What we like. This compact washer is perfect for small living spaces or on-the-go needs. If you live in a dorm, RV, or apartment with limited laundry facilities, its dual tub design allows you to wash and spin dry at the same time, saving you precious time. It's the ideal solution for those who need a functional and space-saving laundry option. What people say. The machine is very quiet and has a large capacity. It has a variety of wash cycles to choose from, and the clothes come out clean. The design is sleek and modern, and it fits well in my laundry room. Number 2. COMFEE Portable Washing Machine. Introducing the COMFEE Portable Washing Machine, your compact solution for fresh clothes. It offers a variety of wash cycles to suit all your laundry needs. Take control of your laundry with customizable settings. You can easily adjust the wash, rinse, and spin times to achieve the perfect clean for any load. This compact washer is designed to fit seamlessly into your life. Its small footprint makes it ideal for apartments, RVs, or dorm rooms, and it even comes with wheels for easy portability. Keep an eye on your laundry with the transparent lid. The durable stainless steel tub and built-in filter ensure efficient and clean washing every time. Save on energy costs with this highly efficient washer. It delivers powerful cleaning performance with a quiet operation, thanks to its durable motor and high spin speed. Worry less about unbalance issues. This smart washing machine automatically detects and corrects imbalances, ensuring a safe and stable operation for a worry-free laundry experience. What we like. This machine offers the convenience of a full automatic washer in a compact size. If you have limited space but still want the ease of a modern washing machine with multiple cycles, this is a great fit. Its energy-saving features make it an economical choice for small households or individuals. What people say. The machine is very quiet and has a good capacity. The washing machine has a variety of wash cycles to choose from, including a quick wash option. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well into my laundry room. Number 1. Auertech 28 pounds Twin Tub Portable Washing Machine. Introducing a revolutionary way to do laundry. This compact machine features separate tubs for washing and spinning, allowing you to clean and dry clothes at the same time. Its lightweight design makes it perfect for any living space, from dorms to apartments. Experience efficient cleaning with its powerful 1,300 revolutions per minute motor. With a large capacity washer and a high-speed spinner, it handles your laundry needs with ease. The transparent lid lets you monitor the entire process, saving you time and effort. Say goodbye to drainage worries. This machine comes equipped with a convenient drain pump, allowing you to easily discharge water wherever you need. It offers flexible drainage options, ensuring a hassle-free laundry experience. Take full control of your laundry with simple, user-friendly controls. Easily set washing times, modes, and spin durations. With 2 water inlets and a straightforward panel, getting clean clothes is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Safety and durability are paramount. It features overheat protection for the motor, automatically shutting down if it gets too hot, and then resuming after a short cool down. Follow simple usage tips to ensure optimal performance and a long lifespan. Don't let its compact size fool you. It boasts an impressive 18 pounds washing capacity and a 10 pounds spinning capacity, perfect for handling everyday laundry loads efficiently. What we like. This offers a robust solution for those needing to wash larger loads in a compact unit. If you have a higher volume of laundry or need the flexibility of a drain pump for easier water disposal, this twin tub washer is a strong contender. Its substantial capacity and safety features make it suitable for apartments or frequent users. What people say. The washing machine has a large capacity drum, which is great for families. It offers a variety of wash cycles, including a quick wash option for when you're in a hurry. The machine is surprisingly quiet during operation, even on the spin cycle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.